Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about event handling in Angular. Event handling in Angular revolves around detecting user inputs like clicks, key presses, or form submissions, and triggering appropriate code execution accordingly. These events help create dynamic and interactive web applications in Angular. For instance, to validate a form submission before processing data, or to update a component upon a button click, are common scenarios where event handling plays a critical role in Angular development. Event handling in Angular involves utilizing event binding in templates to respond to user actions. A common example is binding a click event to a button. For instance, with button click equals handleClick, click me button, the handleClick method is executed when the button is clicked. This method can be used to perform various actions based on the user's interaction, like submitting a form or fetching data from a server. This concept of event handling plays a crucial role in creating interactive and dynamic web applications using Angular. In Angular, when an event is triggered, an event object is passed to the corresponding handler function. This event object provides details about the event, such as the target element and the type of event that occurred. An example of this is when using the keyUp event binding in Angular, where the event object is used to access information related to the keyUp event. For instance, you can handle specific actions based on the key that was pressed, or access the value of the input field associated with the event. This mechanism enables developers to respond dynamically to user interactions in Angular applications by leveraging event objects to extract relevant event data within event handler functions. Angular offers event modifiers such as stopPropagation and preventDefault to manage event actions. By using event.stopPropagation in an event handler, like click equals handleClick, $event.stopPropagation, you can stop the event from propagating up the DOM tree. This ensures that the event does not trigger any higher-level handlers. In a shopping cart application, event handling is utilized to execute actions when specific events occur. For instance, in the provided Python code snippet, the handle add-to-cart function is triggered when an item is added to the cart. Within this function, it fetches the price of the added item from the event target's dataset and updates the cart's total by adding the item's price. This functionality is crucial for e-commerce platforms to ensure accurate and real-time updates of the cart total as users interact with the shopping cart. By using event handling, developers can streamline the process of updating cart information dynamically without the need for manual refreshing. By incorporating event handling mechanisms like this in a shopping cart application, developers can enhance user experience by providing instantaneous feedback on pricing adjustments, facilitating efficient shopping interactions for users. Think of event handling in Angular like a traffic light controlling the flow of cars on the road. Just like how a traffic light signals when cars can go, event handling in Angular triggers certain actions or functions based on user interactions. For example, when a user clicks a button on a web page, an event handler in Angular can be programmed to respond by revealing hidden content or submitting a form. This is similar to how a traffic light changing from red to green allows cars to move forward. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, w.atg.world. The handleButtonClick method in this Angular code is set to trigger an action when the button is clicked. The HTML button element calls this method upon a click event occurrence. Similarly, event handling in Angular is crucial for interacting with user input and triggering responses within the application. Just like how, in a real-world scenario, a user clicking a button can trigger a function to reveal hidden content, enabling dynamic and interactive web applications. By utilizing event handling in Angular, developers can create responsive and engaging user interfaces, enhancing the overall user experience on websites or web applications. Event handling in Angular is crucial for developing interactive and dynamic web applications, and it finds extensive use in various industrial scenarios. Let's consider two examples. 1. Form submission. In a user registration form, event handling is used to trigger validation checks when the user submits the form. If all validations pass, an event handler can submit the form data to a server for processing. This ensures data integrity and a smooth user experience. 2. Real-time messaging. In a chat application, event handling is employed to manage real-time messaging between users. When a new message is received, an event handler can update the chat interface to display the message instantly. This keeps the conversation fluid and engaging for users. By leveraging event handling in Angular, developers can create interactive and responsive applications that cater to various industrial needs efficiently. Across the globe, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.